Conversation 1.
Have you ever been to Asia?
Yes, I have, many times.
Where have you been?
I have been to Japan, Korea, and China.
Have you been to Indonesia?
No, I haven't been there yet.
Conversation 2.
Have you ever eaten Japanese food?
I have. I have eaten lots of Japanese food.
What foods have you eaten?
I've eaten sushi, ramen, and yakisoba.
Have you tried nado?
No, I haven't, but I've heard it's disgusting.
Conversation 3.
Have you seen the new Star Wars movie?
Yes, I have seen them all.
Have you seen all the Spider-Man movies?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Yes, I have seen them all, except the latest one.
Oh, I've seen that one. It's good.
Conversation 4.
Have you tried the new cafe?
No, I haven't. I haven't had time. Have you?
I have. It is really nice, but I've only been there once.
I've heard it is really nice.
It is. They've done a nice job.